Hey guys, welcome back to Hillside Forge. Today we're going to be making an orcish style sword. Now I say orcish because it's going to be a rustic looking sword, but I think orcs are opportunistic makers, so they're going to grab whatever they can find. And today we found a bed rail. Now bed rails come from railroad track, which is usually around a 1080 style series steel. It's got carbon in it, so it's going to be a decent blade, not high quality, but it's going to be a cool little project for us to start with. So why don't we get this hot and get to work in it. So after all that, we got it to a 27-inch flat piece. Not completely flat yet, we still have some of that rib left in there, which we'll flatten that out later. I cut it at 27 inches, and then I cut off a 6.5-inch piece from the handle. Now we're gonna do some more shaping and cool stuff with this, but I didn't feel like working down this 2-inch material because of how thin it is. So I went ahead and cut that off, but we're definitely gonna make a pretty cool handle out of this. So let's get it hot and get to working.
Style is the answer to everything. A fresh way to approach a dull or dangerous thing. To do a dangerous thing with style is what I call art.
So I want to put a ring in the back of the handle, and there's no hole to do it with back there. So what we're going to have to do is go ahead and put one in there.
Everything that happens is motivation.
Set that mark real quick.
Everything that happens is motivation.
It's hooked. They hooked. In case you're wondering. Okay, so really quickly, We have the hole drifted in, but I want to make the hole bigger. So what I'm going to do is go ahead and those two sharp corners we have on either side, I'm going to round those off so I can put it on the horn of the anvil and really stretch that ring out and make it as big as it possibly could be.
King of the road, trailer for sailoring. That trailer for sailoring. Ain't got no cigarettes, but trailer for sailoring. Give, don't pay no.
All right, so after some doing, whacking, schmacking, and crack-a-lacking, that's what we got. I think it's pretty cool. Forging's done. Didn't do any profiling on the grind or anything. This is all just as forged. So I think this is what we are gonna end the first video with. I hope you guys enjoyed part 1. Stay tuned for part 2. I hope to see you guys back again, and who knows, maybe when we finish this all up, we do a giveaway. Did you guys like that? Drop a comment below. Also, subscribe if you like what you're seeing. I appreciate the support, guys. Have a good night.